Hello friends, our today's topic is time and work. So your first math is A can do a piece of work in 5 days and B can do a piece of work in 6 days. How long will they take it both work in days? It means the basic formula is if A can do a piece of work in X days and B can do a piece of work in Y days, then A and B together do the work on. The formula is A plus B together. The formula A can be together complete the work on the day 1 by 1 plus x by 1 by 1 plus y, and the formula is xy by x plus y. Clear? If A can do a piece of work in X days and Y can be a piece of work in and B can do a piece of work in Y days, then together they can do the piece of work of on XY by X plus Y days. So here on this math, X means 5, so here 5 into Y means 6 by 5 plus 6. Clear? To 30 by 11, that means 30 by 11, that means 8 by 11. Clear? Very simple and very basic question. Clear? We can solve it some other ways. What is the way? The way is A can do the piece of work on 5 days. B can do the piece of work on 6 days. Now we take the LCM of 5 and 6. The LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. Clear? 30. This 30 means the total work. Clear? Total unit of work. So what is the multiple of 5 of 30? The multiple is 6. And what is the multiple of 6 of 30? That is 5. So the total work is 11. So A and B together do the total work 6 plus 5 11, and the total work is 13. A plus B together work in 11 work done, then the days is 30 by 11. Clear? That means 2 by 8 to 8 by 11. Clear? That means this is अगर आप सोचते हो कि ये 30 काम है तो ये वाला काम कितना है? A करता है 6 काम, B करता है 5 काम, तो A और B मिलके करता है क्या है? 11 काम, 11 वर्क. तो कितना टाइम लगेगा टोटल काम, मतलब 30 काम को करने के लिए? 30 by 11, इतना डेज लगेगा. क्लियर? ओके. Now we go to the next question. A, B, C can do a piece of work on 6, 12 and 24 days respectively. They all together will complete the work in how many days? Clear? So if X can do a piece of work, if A can do a piece of work in X days, Y can do a piece of work in B can do a piece of work in Y days, and C can do a piece of work in Z days, then they all together do the piece of work. The in general formula is A plus B plus C to 1 by 1 plus X, 1 by 1 plus Y plus 1 by 1 plus Z. That means X, Y, Z by X plus Y plus Z. Here X means 6, Y means 12, and Z means 24 by 6 plus 12 plus 24. That means 6 plus 24, 30, 42. 6 plus into 12 by 24 by 42. That means 7. That means 7. That means 7 by yes, sorry, sorry, so 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. The LCM is 24. The LCM is 24. 1 by 24, 4 plus 2 plus 1, that means 24 by 7. That means our answer is e to the power 1 by 7. Clear? Now we did it on the second form. Now we do this math on the second form. The second form is A can do a piece of work 6 days, B can do the piece of work 12 days, C can do the piece of work in 24 days. Then the LCM of this three is 24. So the multiple of 6 of 24 is 4. 12 is 12 into 2, that means 24, and 1. So the total work is 4. So the total work 24, and A, B, C together do the total work 7. So the days will be 24 by 7. That means 3, 7, 3, 7, 3. Clear? 3, 7, 3. क्लियर? मतलब यहाँ पे 24 टोटल वर्क्स है. ए अकेले करता है 4 दिन. ए करता है 4 वर्क. बी करता है 2 वर्क. सी कर रहा है 1 वर्क. तो ए बी सी टुगेदर कर रहा है 7 वर्क, और टोटल वर्क 24 डेज है. तो टोटल वर्क 24 यूनिट है. तो डे कितना लगेगा? 24 by 7 डे. क्लियर? नाउ we are going to the next math. The next one is question number 3. A and B can A and B together can do a piece of work in 6 days. Piece of work in 6 days, and A alone can do it in 9 days. In 9 days. In how many days? Can B alone do it? If we consider A plus B can do the work on X days, and B can do the work on Y days, then B alone can do the work 1 by X minus 1 by Y, and the formula is XY by Y minus X. Clear? Here X means 9 and Y means 6. X means 6 and Y means 9 in this math. So Y minus X. Clear? 54 by 3, that means 18 is our answer. So B can do the same work on 18 days. Clear? Now we apply the second method. The second method is A plus B can do a work on 6 days, and only B can do the same work on 9 days. So the LCM of 6 and 9, the work unit is 18. The multiple of 6 is 3, and the multiple of 9 of 18 is 2. So if we get subtracting from this, we get B, we we A can do the work. If we get subtracting from this 2, we get B, and 3 minus 2 is 1, is 18. So B can do the work 1 unit, and the total unit is 18, so the day is 18 by 1, that means 18 days. Clear? Our next math is A and B finish. A and B finish a job in 6 days, while A, B, C can finish it in 8 days. 8 days. In how many days can C finish the job? It's very simple. AB finish the work on 6 days. Clear? ABC finish the work on 8 days. Clear? So in how many days C can finish the work? So A plus B plus C finish the work on 6 days. That means on one day they can do the 1/6 of work. Clear? And A plus B on one day do the 1/6 of work, and A plus B plus C do the 1/8 of work. Clear? The formula is I say that if A, B, C do the work on X days, that means 1 by X, and AB do the work on Y days, that means 1 by Y. So our formula is XY by Y minus X. So here Y means 8, X means 6, 8 minus 6, that means 48 by 8 minus 6, that means 2, equal to 24 days. Clear? So what we do? We suppose that A plus B do a piece of work on X days, and A plus B plus C together do the piece of work on Y days. So our formula, C do the work 1 by 1 minus X, 1 minus X minus 1 by Y. Clear? 1 by Y. That means A plus B do the work on Y days, and B plus C do the work on X days. Then the formula is 1 by X minus 1 by Y, and that is the answer, 24 days. Now we do the same math on second method. The second method is A plus B do the work on 6 days, and A plus B plus C do the same work on 8 days. The LCM is 24, is our total unit of work, and the multiple of 6 is 4, multiple of 8 is 3. So if we subtracting this, we get C's work unit is 1, 4 minus 3, 24. So C's work unit is 1, total work unit is 4. So the time required for C, 24 by 1, that means 24 days. Clear? Now our next math is question number 5. Question number 5. The question number 5 is A is thrice fast as B and therefore able to finish a work in 60 days less than B. Find the time in which they can do it working together. This math came several times on bank with same data and same math. Even this math comes to IAS with same data. Clear? So A is thrice efficient than B. So B. That means A equal to 3B, or we can say that if A is 1, B is 3. Clear? A is 1, B is 3. And the line here is there is able to finish a work in 60 days less than B. So the difference of 3 and 1 is 2. The 2 is equal to 60 days. Clear? So 1 is equal to 60 by 2, that means 30 days. Clear? So we can write 260, that means this is cross 30. Clear? So 1 into 30, that means 30. This is the for of A, and for B 3 into 30, 90. So A can do the work A do the work on 30 days and B do the work on 90 days. So they can together do the work. So can they together do the work on A 30, B 90. So LCM is 90 and the multiple is 3. Here multiple is 1. Here multiple is 1. Sorry, this is second kind of method. So 30 and 90, our formula is xy by x plus y. So xy means 30 into 90 by 30 plus 90. So 120. So 30 into 90 by 120. 22.5. 22.5 is our answer. Clear? Now we do the same problem with second kind formula. So A equal to 1 and B 3. The LCM of this 3 unit work. So multiple of 1, multiple of this 3 and multiple of this 1. So the difference between A and B is 2. The 2 is equal to 60 days. So 1 is equal to 30 days. That means B can do the work in 30 days and A can do the work on 30 into 3, that means 90 days. Clear? So now we take 30 and 90. The LCM 90. Total unit of work A, this is B, this is 3, this is 1. Clear? So the total unit of work A and B do together 4 and the total work 90. So A and B together do the work or require the time. A plus B 90 by 4, that means 22.5 is required days. Clear? Our next math is, if 3 men or 4 women can reap a field in 43 days. How long, full stop, how long will 7 men and 5 women take to reap it? Clear? Now here, man oblique woman, same thing, man or woman. Clear? And D means day. So here we consider either man or woman. That means if we convert the total math either in the form of man or in the form of woman, here we consider the math of form of woman. So 4 women can do the work in 43 days. Clear? So here 7 men plus 5 women. Here 3 men equal to 4 women. So woman, so man means 4 by 3 women. So 7 into 4 by 3 women plus 5 women, 28 by 3 women plus 5 women. That means 43 by 3 women. So here 43 by 3 women can do the work on how many days? Clear? So 4 women can do the work on 43 days. 1 woman take more time to do the work. So 43 into 4. Clear? And 43 by 3 women can complete the work. The day is less. So 43 into 4 by 43 by 3. That means 43 into 4 into 3 by 43. 43. That means 12 days. Clear? It's okay. Our next math is A can do a work in 25 days. B can do same work. B can do same work in 20 days. They work together for 5 days. And A goes away. In how many days will B finish the remaining work? Clear? So here in the natural way, A can do a piece of work on 25 days. B can do the same piece of work on 20 days. They work together for 5 days. Clear? They work together for 5 days. So if we draw a line here, A plus B, and A goes away and B finish the remaining work. So A take 25 days to complete the work. So in one day A can do the work of 1 by 25, and on the 5 days A can do the work. That means A can take 25 days to do the total work. Total work is 1. So on one day A can do the work of 1 by 25, and on 5 day they work together. So on 5 day A can do the work on 1 by 25 into 5, that means 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 part of the total work. So 1 by 5 of part of the total work, and the remaining part is 1 minus 1 by 5, that means 4 by 5 is our remaining part. And this is due by, and this is due by B. This is done by B, and B take uh, 20 days for this. So into 20, that means 16 days. That means 16 days. That means 16 days of total work. Previously they both worked together on 5 days. Total work day is 16 days. Previously A and B do the work on 5 days, and A left, and the remaining days were done by B. So the remaining days is 16 minus 5, that means 11 days. Clear? This is the first kind of math, and our second kind of math is second kind of formula to use this case. A do the piece of work on 25 days and B do the piece of work on 20 days. So LCM, total unit of work, is 100. The multiple of 25 is 4. The multiple is 5. Clear? Here B finish the remaining work. B finish the remaining work. That means that here they work together for 5 days. So on 5, so B do the unit of work 5 on 5 days. So A and B together do the work on 9 unit for 5 days. That means 9 into 5, that means 45 unit. So the remaining work unit is 55, and this 55 a unit and this 55 unit and this 55 in A goes away. In how many days will B finish the remaining work? And this remaining 55 unit of work, 55 of unit of work done by B, and B done 5 unit of work, and the total remaining unit of work 55. So the required days is 55 unit total by 5 unit. 5 unit, B do 5 unit work on one day. So total unit of work 55 unit of work. So B take time 55 by 5, that means 11 days. Clear? Hope you understand the concept of time and work. Here I am solving some problems, and these are the very important for any type of competitive exam, not only for GATE but also IBPS and any banking exam, railway group D, PSC exam, public service exam, SSC exam. So if you like this process, please share the video among your friends and subscribe my channel and comment, like, share. Thank you.